Can the Ninja Woodfire Grill replace the Blackstone Griddle and the Pit Boss Smoker? Stay tuned to find out. This is not a sponsored video. We actually purchased the Ninja Woodfire Grill because we're looking for something that can replace the Blackstone Griddle and the Pit Boss Smoker, but still can accomplish the task of each one. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and let's cook something up on this thing and see what it's all about. Here's our Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL. Let's get her unboxed and see what we have inside. Quality is really good from what I can tell so far, but it's unboxed. Now we just got to use it. Now for ours, we also bought a griddle plate that we'll be able to take the basket out and the grill plate and put in the griddle plate. Now we can use it like a Blackstone. So the idea is to replace the Pit Boss Smoker and also the Blackstone with one device that you can do it all in. Alright, so this is our first cook on this Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL. It's a big one. So far, we're just using it as a griddle this time, cooking some bacon, and then we're going to do some smash burgers. First cook, I figured keep it simple. So, doesn't get much more simple than bacon and burgers.
Cooks fast.
Seems like it does, doesn't it?
My house don't smell like bacon. Seems less messy than like a Blackstone. Because you can close the lid.
Yeah.
And you're not wearing an apron.
You don't have to close the lid though.
Right, but you're not wearing an apron, so I guess you're not worried about spatter.
I probably should be worried about it, but I just didn't.
Well, who gets your stains out when you get
My laundry service gets the stains out pretty good. She recommends I wear an apron, but I just didn't do it today.
You don't always listen.
Most of the time don't listen. That's why I'm always in trouble. That looks done to me.
shriveled up really small.
Yeah, I should have probably used the whole pieces, but I was trying to be cognizant that it was going on bacon, or going on burger.
Right. Hey, it looks good to me.
It eat. It'll make it. It's like little bacon bites. This could probably stay on a little bit longer, those pieces, but they're done. Now we got to get a spatula and clean this thing up, and look at that. Comes clean real easy.
Looks like it. You could just wipe it off too, right?
That's the plan.
So much for the spatulas, though.
You mean?
Those will probably kill it, the heat. Maybe not.
Aren't they made for heat?
Mm-hmm. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting meaty balls on the griddle.
What are you going to make?
I'm going to make a smash burger. Tuna memento. You pour me off a roller here for this stuff. Would you look at that?
Really good.
I think it died in the house. I don't get any stick at all on this thing. Really any different than the Blackstone. Like it cooks better, I think. Faster, seems like.
It does seem to be a lot faster.
Definitely should have wore an apron. No doubt about that.
Nobody listens.
Look at here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Keto buns too, guys. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Ninja for the win.
Ninja for the win, baby. We've had the Ninja Woodfire Grill for probably about 6 months now, and yes, it has replaced both my Blackstone and the Pit Boss smoker. Now, is it the greatest smoker ever? No. Is it the greatest griddle ever? No. Does it do a comparable job? It does pretty good, guys, I gotta be honest. If you're looking for some smoke flavor in your meats, it does a good job. If you're looking to use it as a griddle, does a good job. The best part about it is it's in one unit. Again, this video was not sponsored. We did purchase this. We do use it every day. It is the only outdoor cooking item that we have now, and it's the only one that we're going to continue to have for the immediate future unless something new comes out that can do both. But hey, it works great. If you're interested, you can go to our Linktree and go to our Amazon page and pick one up for yourself if you're interested. Remember to do all the things. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we hope that you find your next destination. Thanks for watching.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime destination.